What if sleep vanished tonight? In 30 days, would you survive? Yet every single day, we surrender to an inevitable master: sleep. We spend a third of our lives in a state of unconsciousness, seemingly wasting precious time. But at Infinite Theory, we ask, what if we could escape this biological imperative? What if you simply never slept again? For the first 24 hours, the human machine surprises us. You'd feel a surge of energy, perhaps even euphoria. Your brain, in a desperate attempt to keep you functioning, floods your system with stress hormones like cortisol and dopamine. This is the body's emergency override, offering a glimpse of boundless productivity. A false promise of infinite time, but the illusion quickly fades. By 48 hours, the cognitive decline is undeniable. Your working memory is shattered, decision-making becomes impaired, and your reaction time mirrors that of someone legally intoxicated. Scientists call it sleep debt, a profound deficit your brain desperately tries to repay. Your emotional regulation becomes volatile. Minor irritations can explode into intense anger. This isn't just tiredness. It's a breakdown of the complex neurological symphony that defines consciousness. By 72 hours, your brain can no longer distinguish between wakefulness and dreaming. You experience vivid, terrifying hallucinations, a phenomenon known as sleep deprivation psychosis. Your body, too, is in revolt. Your immune system, deprived of its nightly repair cycle, is severely compromised. Muscles begin to degrade as your system desperately searches for energy, burning itself from within. Even basic functions like temperature regulation become chaotic. Push past 5 days, and the damage becomes catastrophic, often irreversible. Organ failure, particularly of the heart, becomes a very real and imminent threat. The sustained stress, the cellular breakdown, the relentless pressure on every system, it leads to an ultimate, irreversible shutdown. The human machine cannot sustain its own defiance against nature. So what did we learn from this dangerous thought experiment? That sleep isn't a luxury or a mere pause. It is the fundamental process that resets, repairs, and protects the intricate marvel that is the human body and mind. To truly unlock our potential, we must embrace sleep's wisdom. For more mind-bending explorations, subscribe to Infinite Theory. Like and subscribe for the next experiment.